Kanti sir, teaching mathematics in 10th English medium. As you know, in last 2 consecutive sessions, we found missing frequency if mean is given. Now today, we going to find missing frequency if median is given. So today's topic is related to median only. Okay. One sum in exercise 14.3 and one example also given in your textbook. Okay. So now today, first of all, we solve here and understand example number 8. There is a given median 525 and n equal to 100. As I told, whenever 2 frequencies are missing, 2 values are given. One is central tendency, either mean or median or mode, and second one is total number of frequency. Here instead of sigma fi, it is known as n. Okay, so n or sigma fi both are same here. Now you know, whenever it is sum related to median, we generally prepare one column extra only, and that is of cumulative frequency, CFI. Okay, so now these are given only CFI. And here you can notice 2 frequencies are missing, X and Y. So now, how to find CFI you know? By adding one by one new frequencies. So to cumulate means to add up. Okay, so cumulative frequency means addition of frequency. So now, just said, so write down first of all 2, then 2 plus 5, 7, then 7 plus x, remains 7 plus x only, unlike term. Then 19 plus x, then 36 plus x, then plus 20, so 56 plus x, then plus y, so 56 plus x plus y, then 9, so 65 plus x plus y, then 7, so 72 plus x plus y, and plus 4, so 76 plus x plus y. Okay, so indirectly this is the total of all column of sigma fi. So no need to make total again here, because this is the total of all frequencies. So write down it. So 76 plus x plus y, that is nothing but a n. Now, in earlier sum, when 2 missing frequencies were missing in mean, at that time also, and I told whenever 2 frequencies are missing, always sigma fi or n is given. At that time, we have to compare counted sigma fi and given sigma fi. Here counted n and given n. So it is counted only, given is 100. So write down here equal to 100. So what will become x plus y equal to 100 minus 76, so 24. That is number equation 1. We will use it later on after finding any one frequency. Okay, so just like mean sum only, we found here equation number 1 by comparing counted and given sigma fi or n. Now, table is over now. Only 3 columns are there in the median sum. Now, one another thing. In finding mean sum, we used to locate median class by finding n by 2. But here, median is already given. So, no process to find median class. You can say indirectly median class also given. Why? If median is 525, then obviously median class will be 500 to 600. So don't try to locate median class by finding n by 2. That is not possible even here. Why? Because n by 2 will be 50. So where is 50 here? You cannot say. Okay? So don't try that way. Median is given means median class is already given. Okay? Now, write down formula. So m equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon F into L. Now again I remind you, in the case of median, we always take all the value from this row only, median class row only, except one, CF. CF is taken from previous row of median class. Okay, so CF will be 36 plus x, otherwise F will be here, L is here, and difference 100 means S also from here. Okay, so everything from this row. Now median is given 525. L, lower boundary of median class 500. n by 2. N by 2 is 50 here. Why? N is 100. Okay. If you want to write, you can write here 100 by 2 also. One step will be extra. Now CF. CF is not this. Okay. Many students make mistake this type of. CF is actually 36 plus x. So write down 36 plus x in bracket only. Why? Before minus sign is there. So whenever more than one term and ahead of that bracket minus sign is there, always keep in mind to make bracket. Now F. F means frequency of median class 20. Class size 100, whether it is of median class or of any class. Classes are of equal size. Now, simplify. First of all, this go here. Okay, so 525 minus 500, so it will become 25 only. Now, this is 50 minus 36 minus x. Keep in mind, plus minus minus both terms. And if you want, you can cancel this one also. 25 is 100. Okay, so write down here 5. Why bracket is necessary? Why? Because this is a line bracket. So all these three terms are combined. They are not separate. So multiply 5 with all three terms, not with any one. Now you can shift this 5 at left side also. Otherwise, you can multiply 5 with all this term. But first of all, we simplify this one here because 50 minus 36. So now I shift that 5 here only. So it will become 5. 25 upon 5. 25 upon 5. So here left 50 minus 36, 14 minus x. Okay. 50 minus 36, 14 minus 5 is shifted here only. So 5 equal to 14 minus x. Just shift x here. Why it is negative? So just for trying converting into positive sign, I shifted it here. So it is 14 minus 5. So x becomes 9. So that is our first equation. Okay, so we got x9. Now you know x plus y's value. Okay, so using equation number 1. Now using equation 1. X plus y 24. So write down 9 plus y 24. Why? Because we know x is 9 only. So y equal to 24 minus 9. So y equal to 50. So we got both missing frequencies x and y. Again, I revise it fast. Try to understand. Two missing frequencies, so two values are given. That is always. Now, just prepare all columns required for mean in topic of mean. So we prepare CFI columns also. Whether you are finding mean or mean is given, you are finding a missing frequency. In both types of sum, any type of sum, it is topic of median, then 3 columns are always required. Okay, so we just prepare here column of CFI, cumulative frequency. Cumulate means to add up. Okay, so just add one by one frequency and write here. So CFI column is prepared. Now, whenever two frequencies are missing and n is given or sigma fi is given, we always compare with counted one to given one. So counted n is this because indirectly it is counted here, so no need to count it here again. So 100 is given, so just compare both of them. So we find equation number 1, x plus y equal to 24. Now after doing that, just start your process. One important thing here is, don't try to find median class. Median is given, so median class also given. So directly locate median class. No need to find out n by 2 and go through n by 2 and finding median class. That is not possible even here. So if median is 525, then obviously median class is 500 to 600. Now write down formula. All values will be from this row only, but one value will be from previous class. Which one? CF. Don't write here CFI and FI. Why? CFI, FI means it is the name of column only, not particular number. Okay, so CFI means any CFI, FI means any FI. But here CF means particular CF and F means particular F only, not any F. So if you write here CFI or FI, if you prefix there or suffix there I, then it is wrong. Okay, so again keep in mind that also. Now I just place all values. Median given, lower boundary of median class 500, n by 2 is 50, why n equal to 100. So I had not shown where from 50 came. Then CF is 30, CF is 36 plus x, but it should be in bracket. Why? In front of that minus sign is there. Frequency of median class 20, class size is 100 here. So everything is placed there. Now always simplify. Whenever first term is given, the first work is to shift this first term. So 5 to 5 minus 500, 25 came. Now just open that bracket, and here 25 is 100, so I written here 5. But here bracket should be there. Why? 5 is in multiplication with all three terms, whole bracket. This is a line bracket. Okay, so make bracket still it. Now either you can still we can simplify 50 minus 36, 14 minus 8. Now 14 minus x into 5, otherwise shift that 5 here. So I shifted 5 towards left side. Okay, so it becomes 25 upon 5 and 50 minus 36, 14. Now it is very simple. If you want to add, then first of all x is negative, so try to convert it into positive. So I shifted x only. Otherwise we never shift unknown variable. We here shifted unknown. Why? That was negative. We want it positive. That's why. Now 5 comes here. So 14 minus 5, 9. After getting 1, by using equation number 1, you can find another one also. Okay. So second one we got 50. This is very simple sum. You can write. Table is of only 3 columns in median sum. Now, if one missing frequency is there, then how to do it? Okay. Now before going to that second sum, homework related to this is from textbook. Okay, so today's first homework sum is from textbook, exercise 14.3, question number 3. Okay, exercise 14.3, question number 3. That is of missing frequency. Now we start second sum. If one frequency is not given, means one frequency is missing in median sum, then how to proceed? Process will be same only. If one frequency is missing, only median will be given, not n. Okay, so keep in mind, if two frequencies are missing, median as well as n both are given. So that I am taking median equal to 93 and n equal to 98. Okay, that is extra sum, not from textbook or worksheet. Now class is given, I just write in tabular form only. So classes are 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100, 100 to 110 and 110 to 120. Okay, these are classes. Now frequency. So Fi equal to 5, 15, x, 30, 20, 8. Okay, one frequency only missing here, not two. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so n is not given. Understand, n is not given. Okay, again, if n is given, then you can find x from here only. Very short, it will become objective question. So n is not important here and not given. Now CFI. Okay, if n is given, then just instead of getting equation number 1 like earlier one, you will find x itself. Okay. Now CFI. So 5 plus 15, 20 plus 6, 20 plus 6 plus 30, 50 plus 6, 70 plus 6, 78 plus 6. Okay, so that is nothing but a n. Okay, that is indirectly sum of whole column of Fi. Okay, so that is sigma Fi or n. Now no comparison here and no equation number 1. Why? N is not given. N never given whenever one frequency is missing there. Now start directly our solve. How? First of all, locate median class. So median is 93. So obviously median class is 90 to 100. Median is 93, so median class is here only. In earlier sum, I told you there no need to find it by n by 2, it is not possible. Median is given, median class is given. Now start by placing value in formula. M is given. Now median class is located at 90 to 100. So write down here lower boundary 90. Okay, n by 2. Actually n by 2 is not given or n is not given. So but we found n equal to 78 plus x. So write accordingly only 78 plus x divided by 2 minus. Okay, because it is not given, n is unknown here. So it is 78 plus x upon 2 minus CF. CF is here 20 plus x. So write down here 20 plus x. Write upon 1 also. If 1 is fraction, make another also fraction. Now upon f. Okay, this is n by 2, this is CF. I extra write here upon 1. Frequency is 30 and class size is of 10. Now be careful here in numerator. If there is a fraction, n addition subtraction is there, cross multiplication or LCM is needed. So we go through that process there in numerator. Now first of all, every time we shift first term here, so it becomes 3. Now you can cancel out this 0 also. Okay, now multiply this, simplify it. So take LCM 2. First of all write here 3 and LCM 2. Okay, we simplify it numerator only of right side. There is a fraction. In between subtraction sign is there, minus sign is there. So cross multiplication is needed. So it will become 78 plus x. Okay, cross multiply. Minus 40 plus x, but before minus sign is there, so it will become minus 40 minus 2x. Be careful here. Minus sign is there before bracket, line bracket is here. Okay, so both will become minus and twice. Why? Cross multiplication. Now nothing left here, multiply 1 only. Now you can shift this 3 to left side, so it becomes 3 3s are 9. Now 2 left here. Now just simplify. 78 minus 40. So 8, 3, 38. X minus 2x minus x. Again, all values are placed, but n is unknown. Whenever one frequency is missing, n will not be given. So n will be this type of unknown only. Now this is not divisible by 2. Why? This is even, but x is not even. So we cannot divide. Okay, we cannot cancel here 2 into 39, 78. Why? I already told you. Because it is bracket. Inside of bracket cannot be cancelled by outer number. Okay, so it remains same only. CF is 20 by x. I written upon 1. Why? Because if one fraction is there, convert another one also in same form. Now x value is 30. Why it is 30 you know, and this is 10. Why? class size, difference of both boundary 10. Now just simplify, this cancellation is possible. Now 90 is shifted towards left side, so 3 is left here. Cross multiplication done here. Why? Addition or subtraction or fraction cannot be done without taking LCM. So we taking here LCM, means cross multiply. So two terms both are same. So 70 plus x into 1, so 78 plus x. Now 20 plus x 2 is, so 40 plus 2x, but in between minus sign is there, so both become minus. Now 3 is shifted here, so it is 3 3s are 9. Now numerator comes here, so denominator 2 and 78 like terms combine, so 38 minus 6. Now simplify it and find out x. So 9 to the 18 equal to 38 minus x. So now just like previous sum, shift x here so that it becomes positive. It is not compulsory. You can keep at right side also. Now 38 shift to 18 here only, so it becomes negative. So x is 20. So that is our answer. Again, just like finding median, table is same type of. Here no comparison of n and no equation number 1. Why? You know, n is not given. Now median class is already given. Why? Median is given. Write down same formula of finding median. Place all values, but be careful at simplification, because most of students do all things right up to placing value, but then only they make mistake because your basic is quite weak. So you make mistakes in these types of steps, simplification steps. So be careful at this step. Okay. So this is the off median when one frequency is missing. So these types of sum I am giving you from worksheet. This is from textbook. Worksheet question number 4. Fourth question, fourth one. Now answer of it will be 20. I have not given answer of this because it is from textbook. So textbook answer you are having. Okay. So no need to give answer of that question. Okay. But in this question x will be 20. So be careful to find how to 20. Okay, just like me. Here also 20. There is no relation in between that. Now you just revise it. In missing frequency portion, we solve 4 sums so far. 1 missing frequency in mean, 2 missing frequency in mean, 2 missing frequency in median, 1 missing frequency in median. Now same way, in mode also, 2 frequency as well as 1 frequency. So now we going to take one sum in which 1 frequency is missing. As you know, in mode, no need to prepare table. In mode, no need to prepare table. Directly you can start from formula. Okay, in earlier practice also, we found mode directly only. Okay. So this is the sum, class and frequency. Classes are given 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, and 100 to 120. 8, 9, 26, 23, x, 40. Okay. And median is given 57. Z equal to 57. So obviously, here only you will know this is the model class, just like median class. Why? 57 lies inside of this class. So now directly start. So this becomes our F1. This is F0. This is F2. This is not our table. Okay, we just written in suppose question paper. Okay, you can write also. Now directly start formula of Z. L plus F1 minus F0 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Write down all values. Z 57, L 40, F1 26, F0 9. Twice of 26 52 minus 9. Sorry, X should be here only, otherwise it is not possible. So I just change that one here. So this is 20 and this one is not given X. Okay, X should be in this area only, otherwise it cannot come here only. Okay, so F2 is becomes here X. F2 is X. Okay, F0 F1 is right. So now 52 minus 9 minus X into X. Now simplify it. So 57 minus 40, so it becomes 70. Okay, I just subtract it. 26 minus 9, 70. Now 52 minus 9, 43 minus X. H value is 20. Write down 20. Again, this is all given according to this one model class we found, and according to that F1, F0 and F2 are located. Now all values are placed. This one is given, lower boundary of model class, F1, F0, F2, you know how to locate it. And class size is of 20, so it is written. Now 26 minus 9, 40 is shifted here, 26 minus 9, 17, 52 minus 9, 40, 3 minus X into 20. Now just multiply this one and set this 17 into 43 minus X here. So this is 17 to the 34, 340. Okay, 17 into 2, 70 to the 34, 1 0 extra. Now multiply it. So 43 into 70, so 430. Okay, and 7 3 are 21, 2 7 4 are 28, plus 2 30, so 137. So 731 minus 17x equal to 340. Again 430, 7 3 are 21, 2 7 4 are 28, 33 7. Now you want to find X, so just shift that terms because it is negative, otherwise we never shift that unknown term. 340 comes here. This is a simplification, nothing to understand here. Okay, understand only primary or initial 2 or 3 steps. Now 1, 731, 340. So 1 minus 0 1, here 13 minus 4 9, 6 minus 3 3. So 391 equal to 17. Okay. Now 391 divided by 17 equal to, so 391 divided by 17. So 17 to the 34, 5, 17 3 the 51. So 23 equal to, okay, very simple. No need of table. Mod is given means model class is given. Now according to that, F1 you can say this one. Frequency of model class is F1 only. Okay, F0 and F2. Don't say it is biggest because you don't know whether 26 is biggest or X is biggest. But according to model class location, you can say F1 is 26, so F0 is 9 and F2 is X. Now place all value and simplify. How to simplify that you know here. Okay, very simple. Now third, it is also from worksheet. Question 4. 13A. In 13 two sums are given A and B. So A is of this type and answer will be 11. Okay. So write down this one, number as well as answer also. First one's answer is not given because it is from textbook. These are from worksheets. So answer is given, otherwise take screenshot of it. Okay. Thank you.